Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mims local and long distance movers near me. Mims local TM movers can assist you with your local relocation. They are familiar with the area's routes and traffic and know the tricks for navigating them. With them, your relocation is smoother. They can navigate the area's relocation regulations and handle challenges unique to moving within the area. Mims Long Distance 3 Movers is one of the moving companies that can assist you with moving into Mims. These movers can plan for long distance relocation considering factors that affect it and execute it smoothly. They have licenses that allow them to operate outside their host states, and they are well versed in relocation regulations of different places. They are known for using large trucks that can carry many things at once. With several FL movers specializing in long distance relocation, you can find fairer priced options when hiring. Just ask different movers for quotes and compare them. Also, only hire movers that have the extra layer of protection called insurance coverage. The risks are more in long distance relocation, so insurance is non negotiable. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mims moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.